Well, this is David in the stained glass studio, and you'll notice over here it's a little bit of a mess. And I'm starting to get everything out of here so that I can get things cleaned up, because we're going to do some improvements to our studio. And one of the things I have to do, I've got a piece of wood strip on top of these crates. I got to take that off, and then I have to take these 4 crates out of the way. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to set the camera up and take some more photos of it. But I won't be talking about it a lot. But this is going to be a really fun project. And so I'm glad you're here with us.
Now we're ready for the guys.
Okay, well, we have gotten to the point now where we've got this spot cleaned out. Now over here is an outlet, and we believe that it goes down and out through our building. And so that will be something that the electrical guys are going to take care of. And then the heating and plumbing guys, the heating and air guys are going to do something over here. So we'll let them do that, and then we'll put our cases of glass back in here after it's all done. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful new breaker box.
Well, hi, it's Jeannie in the studio, and the guys just left, the electricians and the people putting in the HVAC, and it's not quite warm yet, but they just turned it on maybe 10-15 minutes ago. But it is going to get cozy in here. So I'm happy to say that I will be able to work without having freezing cold fingers. So that will be good. So if you want to come and take a class, hopefully you will be much more comfortable now.
Okay, so there it is. That's what it looks like. And I think there's a way to make it hotter, blow harder.
There is yep, there's this. So hopefully we'll figure this out. So it says it's going to make it up to 80.
Ooh,
so
boy.
We're going to see if it'll warm us up in here. So, hey, thanks for being with us during this project, and we appreciate it, and we welcome you to come in and feel the warmth. Bye for now.